former European junior champion over 100 back in '89. Alenka Bikar in lane 5 from Slovenia. New personal best this year, 7.31. Shouldn't really figure with that sort of time, but times really haven't been that fast. And Barati took advantage of the surprise dismissal, if you like, of Puka from Ukraine. It was Barati who ran around, really. Well, this young lady here, Tanu, maybe chance of gold here. Was very unlucky last year not to qualify for the final in Gothenburg. She was in the same semi as Torrance, Otti and Privalova. So, no great shame there, of course. 3 biggest names in women's sprinting. So can Tanu come out of the shadows here? City Bay of France alongside her. Over in lane 1, Metslikova, the experienced Russian. Away first time, then Tanu indeed getting a good start in lane 3. It's Tanu from Greece coming home for gold. The Greeks are going to get one. Cedar from France gets silver. Not sure about third, but no doubt at all here. 7:15. A very fast time for Tanu, very quick indeed. The Greeks have been going very quick right throughout. Coming home with a gold. Well, yet again, running a perfect race here, the Greek. Started fast, ran faster through the second half of the rest of them, indeed stretching away towards the line. Sidibe of France running beautifully for that silver, and maybe in lane 2 there, Perc of Slovenia taking the bronze medal. Good dip from her, very, very close for the bronze medal, but no doubting the winner. Slightly less convincing, if you like, silver medal run from Sidibe, very close for third, but look at that, a good metre gap there from Tanu back to the rest. Well, she got out of the blocks very well, compact, small, but very powerful indeed. Just look at that arm action. Very determined also. Sidibe of France, a little bit more rangy in her action. And Perc there, I think, just getting the bronze medal. Good run from her to run out the Russian. But Tanu was a long way ahead.